The Elephant and the Rope. In a village, a man was walking past an elephant camp when he noticed something strange. Despite their enormous strength, the elephants were tied to small wooden stakes with thin ropes. They could easily break free, yet they didn't even try. Curious, the man asked the trainer, "Why don't these elephants break the ropes and escape?" The trainer smiled and said, "When they were young, we used the same ropes to tie them. At that age, they weren't strong enough to break free. Over time, they believed the rope was stronger than them. Even now, as adults, they never try because they think they can't." The man walked away, realizing an important lesson. Many people, like these elephants, let past failures hold them back. They believe they can't achieve something just because they failed before. But in reality, they are much stronger than they think.